Hi, hello, my name is Tiago Silva from Suprema. I'm the product manager and I will show you in this video the new features of the Stefan folding machine, the new VHP. So, come with me. I'm here on the Bilbao exhibition with the Stefan folding machine VHP with 6.4 and the 2mm machine. And notice that the new VHP, it have 4mm more than the normal one. So it means that for that we have to design a new arm and to assure that we will have a very good strength on the lens when it's done. But what is special on this machine is the new geometry of the tools of the folding machine. If you notice, we have now on this model a longer clamping beam, more space here, also the bending beam is a little bit inclined with a new shape format and also this groove here, so you have more space to make bends. If you look, we have these retractable trays and it's to be better to the profile counterpart. Also notice this small detail, the new design of the arm. It have a nose less pronunciated, so when you bend, the material don't be locked here, and it will follow its way to bend. Other feature of this long folding machine, the Stefan VHP, is the longer arm that you can get. That you will have 1.25 meters of maximum capacity of the bagage, so you can put the complete sheet inside and manage the cuts in an easy way. Now we will have a look for the new hydraulic power of the machine. Have a very good efficiency because the motor works with inverter, so if the machine is stopped, you don't need to, the motor also is stopped, so you don't consume a lot of energy. But it's important to show you that to keep this working well, you need a good brake. Now let's have a look to the new software of Stefan folding machine, the Alligator. The new generation software, and is very simple to use and at the same time very powerful. So you can look, and I can give you an example on the library of programs. I can open a new program and I can change easily the material that it will update automatically the new data, so you don't need to reprogram again. Also, new feature of the software is the new function of the conical profiles. So easily you can visualize a conical profile on the machine. So if you look here you have one measure, here you have another, and beside that you can positioning the sheet metal whatever you want. So if you want to work on the middle, you just press start and you can see where to put the material. So I will show you how to make the new drawing of the machine. You just go to the drawing page, you delete the drawing, you can select the type of material, and now you can draw. And after you have the draw, you do the sequence. On the sequence you can see the 2D of the machine, you can see all the steps, and you can select the steps to the correct sequence. So for example, I want to start with a hemming, and I move here to the program sequence. And also I can visualize the sequence too. Easily I can add the cut to cut the material. Now I will produce the part. The rest of the machine is the same characteristics that you can find on the edge. You have a very robust shear, which is made on the single piece of metal, and you can cut here 0.5 up to 3 millimeters thickness. Also, you have the back gauge fingers that you can move along the machine. It's a rigid back gauge reinforcement, so you can have very good accuracy, and also allows the conical bolt. And of course, the best thing of this machine is the robust, the mechanical properties that it assure a very long work life of bending.